Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I wanna show you how to make pattern in Photoshop. So I have unlocked this layer. Guys, before starting, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you are new, so from here I'm going into the edit. I'm defining the pattern like this, and I'm naming the pattern here Floral pattern. Hit OK. I'm taking another document from here, new, and I've taken the size 6.6 by 6.6 and the resolution is 300. Hit OK. The file is opened. I'm unlocking the layer. Hit OK. And from here I'm taking this bucket tool, going into the pattern. From here you have two options, foreground and pattern. You have to take the pattern. From here click on this and drag this down. From here you have this floral pattern. Click here and you can see here you have this pattern. Like this you can make any of the pattern in Photoshop. So this is all for today. If you want to cut this motif from here, you can cut it with the help of this crop tool. Like this you can make any of the motif in for any of the shirt. Okay, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. This is all for today.